Hello guys, let's go.
Hola, soy Dora. A mean octopus is dumping garbage everywhere. There's garbage on the beach and in the ocean. The yucky, dirty garbage is even falling down onto Mermaid Kingdom.
Oh no.
Mariana the mermaid needs her magic crown to make all the garbage disappear. Will you help me find her magic crown?
Sure.
Great! Along the way, help me pick up the garbage with my vacuum pack. Vámonos! Let's go! Move your mouth to make me move. You're doing great!
Go, go, go.
You're a great cleaner.
Keep collecting.
Excelente!
Keep going. The garbage clear.
Great vacuuming!
You can
You
do it.
vacuumed up the garbage! Fantastico!
Continue.
You're doing great! Great vacuuming! Fantastico!
Thank you, crabs.
You're a great cleaner!
There's more.
Excelente! You vacuumed up the garbage!
Thank you, crabs. Keep going. I feel tired.
You vacuumed up the garbage!
Keep going.
You're doing great!
Thank you, crabs.
Excelente! You're a great cleaner! Fantastico! Great vacuuming!
Keep going.
Keep trying to vacuum up the dirty garbage! We've got to get this magic crown to Mariana the mermaid!
Found it.
We found the magic crown! Hooray! And look, I'm a mermaid! Now I can swim underwater! Vámonos! Let's go give Mariana the mermaid her magic crown! You vacuumed up the garbage!
Keep going. Keep cleaning the
Great
garbage.
vacuuming!
Keep cleaning the ocean.
You're a great cleaner!
Thank you, starfish. Thank you,
Trying to
Star.
vacuum up the dirty garbage!
Thank you, starfish.
Fantastico!
What?
You're doing great!
What's that? A barrel.
Excelente!
Thank you, starfish. keep cleaning.
Excelente! You vacuumed up the garbage!
Thank you, dolphins.
You're a great cleaner!
Thank you, whales.
Fantastico!
Thank you, dolphins.
You're doing great!
What's this? A barrel. Good idea.
Great vacuuming! Keep looking for garbage! Excelente! Great vacuuming! You vacuumed up the garbage!
Thank you,
You're a
whales.
great cleaner!
There's more.
Look! Mariana put on the crown, and now all the garbage is disappearing! We saved Mermaid Kingdom from the garbage! Los Simos! We did it!
You scored 408. Congratulations. Remember to take your oral blowing sticks to right. Take your small children to get off the train cars. And remember, please remain seated. I'm Bob the train. Remember, the train will completely stop to get off the train. Come real soon, okay? See you next time. Have a good Friday evening.